Okay, so in this video, we will look if ChatGPT can give me instructions or some way to do some skill or learn something or travel to some place or to do something with my hands, like handmade things or do-it-yourself things and so on. So I'll ask it specific questions and see if it can give me really a plan or a concrete way to do something. So to open ChatGPT again, just go to chat.openai.com and log in with your account. If you have an account, if you don't have, you can just sign up. And the good thing is you can log in with Google or Microsoft. So I have a Google account. I will use my Google account to log in. It should be quick and send me immediately to ChatGPT. Here's a box where I write what I want to ask ChatGPT and then wait for the answer. So my question is, for example, learn German. Okay, so I want to ask him, how can I learn German language? I want to see if it can give me concrete examples, concrete steps, for example. So learning language and challenging the learning experience, few tips. Find a good textbooks, of course. Practice regularly. Immerse yourself as the languages is. Okay, that's good. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's good also. Okay. Consider taking class or hiring a tutor. And motivation, language takes time, dedication, but with hard work, you can master German. Okay, so here these are tips. There are general tips for learning the language. These are not concrete. So that doesn't mean, for example, you have to go to this institute to take the language course, or to tell me that you have to learn this grammar specifically, or to learn these keywords specifically, or for example, to focus on listening from this source, or reading these books for a beginner, or traveling to some place to be in contact with the locals. They give me very general info. Actually, if I asked Google for this, or asked any tool that has basic intelligence for this, it will give me similar answer. So this answer can be found on the internet and in any blog or on any website. So it is not really impressive. It's okay, it's correct, of course, but it's not impressive. So let's try something else. How to travel from new to, for example, Los Angeles. Okay, there's several. Okay, one thing to notice, I made here a mistake. It recognized the mistake immediately and just translated to travel, and that's a good thing. I think it should have autocorrected or told me, do you mean travel or something like that, but didn't do that. It just went immediately to the answer. I think based on that, I said it here, New York to Los Angeles, from New York to Los Angeles, so it knows it's travel. That's okay, but I would have preferred it to give me a notice. It told me that several ways by plane. The corresponding way is by plane. JFK LaGuardia Airport and LAX Airport in Los Angeles by car, and driving by car, by bus, by train. Okay, again, this is very, very general. I have liked the answer to be more specific. For example, it can tell me every day there is a Delta flight, for example, at 4 a.m. in the morning, or 10 a.m. in the morning, and one at 8 p.m. in the afternoon, or tell me there is a train that starts at this place and takes so many hours, and you can take it tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. It has this is the price or so, or something like that. But in this video, or in this video, I'll try to be more specific. Can you let me know how to fly from New York to Los Angeles tomorrow? And please give me ticket prices. Okay. sorry, but an AI agent model that don't have ability to access real life flight information, flight prices in order to find the current schedules. I guess you will need to travel website. Okay, so and give me recommendations of website to use. So what we know from this, and I did this in the frequently asked questions, the facts of ChatGPT that's not connected to the internet, it cannot find up-to-date information. All the information it has is prior to 2021, and nothing is more updated than 2021, and it cannot give me live information. I cannot tell it what is the weather in Rio de Janeiro tomorrow or today, or what's the price for the ticket as in here, or something like that. This is not, it's not going to do this, because it's not even connected to the internet, and this is one big drawback of this. It is not very good, it's not updated, and it is not connected to the internet, so it cannot actually give me specific information about things that I need to search the internet for. So this is one very big drawback of ChatGPT. But the people don't lie about it. They said in the fact that it is actually not connected to the internet, so they were honest about it. It just tries to give you some answers to your questions, but not actual steps or actual answers or recent information, because it's not connected to the internet. It's not live. It is like a brain that has information, like we can think of it like a man who read a lot of books, had a lot of information, but nothing now. Just some information. It's like a wise man, nothing more than this. So that's a very big drawback of ChatGPT. But we will try in the next videos to focus on the usage of ChatGPT and not on the drawbacks. So stay tuned and join please in the next videos.